Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a good day. I got some more stuff from the Collectors Card House out in London. We're going to be doing the Pokemon Center Brilliant Stars ETB. This is the first of this set that I've ever pulled. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what we get here. So yeah, just jump straight into it. This is actually my first ETB that's a Pokemon Center. So I was kind of debating on just saving it for my collection, but I decided to just open up for some content. But yeah, it's got the player's guide. Let's see what the rare stuff is in this one. Actually, let's just do this. Pokedata has better information in this guide. Looks like the Charizard V is the most expensive card, and then the Umbreon VMAX being next. A couple Umbreons, Charizard V-Star, the Sylveon VMAX. Alright. There's quite a few very nice cards in here. But yeah, let's just... there's a Vaporeon as well. Alright, sick. So, lots of very nice cards. So, let's go ahead and see what we get here. Looks like some sort of... what is this? It must be like a deck holder or something. Yeah, I'm gonna set that off to the side for now. Got some dividers. Some sleeves. Energy cards. Don't Pokemon Centers usually come with like a promo? Or am I tripping? I swear I thought they come with a promo. Looks like a couple of coins and random like play pieces, dice and stuff. Yeah, am I tripping? I thought Pokemon Center ETBs come with like some sort of promo card. Maybe it's in... is it in the... tripping? Is it in here? Oh. Got 9 packs of the Brilliant Stars, but I'm not seeing the... yeah, there's nothing in here. That's interesting. I don't know. Maybe this Pokemon Center ETB doesn't come with a promo card. Huh. Interesting. Well, that's kind of a bummer. I was expecting a... Alright, well anyway. Maybe it's in this. No, just a bunch of energy cards. Well, that kind of sucks. Yeah, I don't think it would be. It wouldn't be in here, right? This is just sleeves. Yeah, am I tripping? Maybe this set doesn't come with a promo. I don't know. Alright, anyway. We are going to just jump straight into it. Come on, Charizard. I was able to pull the Charizard in the Obsidian Flames and 151. Let's see if I have the same luck with this one. It's a white code card. I heard this is usually not a good sign, but let's see how we do. What the heck is this? The V-Star card? Is that... Okay. This is like... I'm not used to this. What era is this? Is this Sword and Shield? Yeah, Sword and Shield era. Yeah, I'm not used to how they have it set up in the packs. I don't... Alright, anyway. Another white code card. So it's like the 5th or 6th card to the rare one. Is that how they set it up? Because I'm confused. Well, it looks like the 7th card is the rare one. And if you get a hit, it would be like the 6th or 7th card. I don't know. I'm really confused. We're continuing on though. Alright, black code card. Maybe that's better luck. We'll see. We got here. And looks like a regular holo. Yeah, looks like I guess the 6th card is, or 7th card is where you find out if you get a hit or not. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I thought there was like a swear I thought there was a promo card with Pokemon Center ETBs, but I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Oh, ooh, whoops. Another white code card. This can't be good. Yep, looks like a bunch of regular hollows. Black code card. Ooh, what do we got here? It's actually a pretty sick looking card. What's going on with the lighting here? All right. Let's see what that's worth. Looks like probably not very much. Yeah, it looks like 71 cents. Alright, we still got some packs though. There's a little bit of hope. Continuing on here, continuing on. We got 5 packs left. I've been just getting cooked on ETBs lately. Another white code card. That can't be good. What the heck? What is going on here? Yeah. Alrighty. I don't know if this is like a really tough set to pull from or what, but thus far it has not been very good. Wow, another white code card. Okay. Yep. Down to 3 more packs, looks like. Alright. Can we pull something good, please? Alright, black code card. That's a good start. Dang. Alright, down to the last 2. It's not looking good, boys. It's not looking good. I don't know. Maybe it only takes 1 pack, though. Maybe we can get super lucky. Oh, another white code card. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, Vaporeon. Very nice. So just because it's a white code card doesn't mean you're not going to get a pull. Vaporeon is... $11. Nice. It's not bad at all. I'll definitely be top loading this. Alright, sick. So we got bailed out. Thought we were gonna leave this ETB without a hit, but finally got something. Can we pull the Charizard though? Highly unlikely, but it only takes one pack, right? Oof, not a white code card. But we did pull a Vaporeon with a white code card, so it doesn't always mean you're not gonna pull anything. And looks like nothing. So I got another V-Star card. I don't know if that means anything. Yeah.